Have you ever asked yourself, how much money do YouTubers get per 1 million views? And in this video I'm going to answer all of your questions, so make sure to watch the entire thing. First of all, let's understand how YouTubers can actually make money on YouTube. The answer is simple and is called Adsense. This program allows YouTubers to monetize their videos, and there are two important factors. On the one hand, you've got the CPM, which means cost per 1,000 views. Basically how much YouTubers get paid per 1,000 views. And on the other hand, the CTR, the so-called click-through rate. The CPM can be influenced by many factors. Each country has a different average CPM, each category on YouTube gets differently paid commercials, which will result in a different CPM as well, and depending on how long a video is, it can contain more commercials than a shorter one. As a quick example, the average CPM just in the United States is $1.87, and in France it's even lower with around $1.04. But overall the average CPM on YouTube out of all categories and countries is $9.68 per 1,000 views, which is really high. And as a side fact, the Maldives have the highest average CPM of the entire world with $15.47 per 1,000 views, which is insanely good. As mentioned before, different categories get paid a different amount of money per 1,000 views. And just in case if you're wondering which are the YouTube categories with the highest paid CPM, I'm going to put them on screen right now. We've got e-commerce, real estate, insurance, stock market, loans, and overall categories that revolve around finances and money, which is kind of ironical, isn't it? Just to show you guys how different these payouts really can be, I want to give you an example of a lifestyle blogger which goes by the name of Shelby Church. She posted a video which goes by the name of How to Post in Photos 5 Easy Poses for Instagram, which got over 4.5 million views. After that, Shelby released a video showing her entire YouTube revenue made of this specific video, and she showed us that YouTube paid her around $1.3k for 3.9 million views. But she mentioned that she got paid over $40,000 already on a video which has only around 2 million views. So you can see there's a big difference. I just want to point out, I didn't mean to say only 2 million views, you get what I mean. Just the relation is like really different, that for almost 4 million views she got $1.3k, and for 2 million she got 40,000. Like, that's an insane difference. So the YouTube algorithm is pretty crazy, but to answer your question, the overall CPM is $9.68, which would mean statistically a person should get around $9,680 per million views. But as mentioned before, these numbers may differ since there are so many factors that could influence them. Yeah guys, and I'm gonna link you all the websites where I got my information from down in the description. And make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. And I hope I could give you an at least decent answer. And until next time, stay awesome, have a wonderful day. I'm out. Peace. And by the way, let me know if you enjoy this type of content and if you want to see more. Now, peace.